have to imagine that both of these men
on the Big Show. He's seen a chance that would have gotten.
As I mentioned earlier, John Cena's first WrestleMania here tonight. And what could be going through the mind of John Cena?
Well, Big Show's a veteran. That's what John Cena's got to be worried about. I mean, Cena's going to be like a deer in the headlights here, being nervous when the Big Show is not his first business.
And there's the strength of the 500-pounder, the Big Show. John Cena with the right hand. The controversial, the outspoken John Cena trying to take it to Big Show. And Big Show with one hand crossing Cena through the second rope.
Just all of the offense by Cena just about means nothing when the Big Show just palms the head and shoves the man out of the ring.
Of course, here at Empire here, he defeated The Rock at Madison Square Garden. Big Show defeated Brock Lesnar here for the WWE Championship. Big Show retired Hulk Hogan here. Big
Cena, should be nervous. But right there, Cena put the place down.
And John Cena hanging the Big Show up top rope. John Cena pounding around attack going to the air for a moment here. Crossbody caught in midair.
The size and power of the United States champion.
And what a slam. Big Show looking to make
goodbye. Quick
the leg. And John Cena kicks out. Taz, plain and simple, does John Cena have a chance to win here tonight?
Well, yeah, I think John Cena has a chance. But in my opinion, I don't think John Cena's going to win. That's just my view. But I mean, John Cena's a world-class athlete. He's on the rise. It could be his time. But John Cena has to try and chop down his big red.
It was back at the Royal Rumble in January that the Big Show injured the knee of John Cena. But from what we saw this past Thursday night on SmackDown, that knee looked very, look at that. What a chop by the Big Show to John Cena.
Yeah, the knee of John Cena might not be the problem for John Cena.
And look at John Cena with the right hand.
Might be the problem for John Cena.
And look at John Cena with the right hand off his feet. And what a clothesline by the United States champion.
And again, look at the face. Look, taking his time, the Big Show is. Just stalking the doctor of